The new DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a much bigger beast than its predecessor, the Mavic 3, and certainly a lot bigger than the Air 3S. This will be its first flight. I've updated the firmware, charged everything, got the very incredible new remote control to get to grips with, and then what I'm also going to be doing is comparing the sound, because I'm guessing heavier weight. This is 1.06 kilograms. That's 160 grams or so heavier than the Mavic 3 Pro, and it's a full 260 grams heavier than the Air 3S. So more weight, bigger props, probably going to make a bit more noise. So it'll be interesting to see what the pitch is like, and also do a bit of a comparison between the Mavic 3 Pro and also the Air 3S, and do a direct comparison to see what it's like. So without further ado, let's get this up on its first flight. Right. Well, that is surprisingly quiet for such a large beast. It's actually a very nice, reassuring, low-pitched. Yeah, very. Now, that's a lower pitch than the Mavic 3 Classic, and certainly a lower pitch than the Air 3S. So as I said, what I'll do is do a little comparison with both. But my first impression, wow, okay, super quiet. Oh, that sounds like a beefy beast. That's quite nice, really. He's 70 meters away and 70 meters up, about 200 feet and 200 feet. I can just about hear him. Obviously, when you move, propellers, there's no annoying whining pitch. It's just a throaty, which is nice. Oh. For me, very pleasing pitch. You know, a drone that big is going to make a noise. There's no two ways about it. So it's going to be way noisier than something like the little mini 4 Pro. But as far as pitch noises go, it just feels good. It just feels nice. Right, so what we'll do is put the Mavic 3 Classic up side by side, and we'll just see if loudness and pitch, and just for good measure, the Air 3S, and see how they sound together. Okay, so first test, we've got the Mavic 3 Classic up, and we have the new Mavic 4 Pro up. Now, just standing here, neither is that offensive in truth. No two ways though, the Mavic 4 Pro, deeper, quieter pitch. Is it quieter, or is it just a lower pitch playing a trick on my ear? Let's swap between the two and see what they sound like. Certainly standing in the middle, I don't know. I would say the Mavic 3 Classic is a little bit louder, but predominantly Mavic 4 Pro is just a deeper pitch. Very not annoying, which is brilliant. Right, let's get the Mavic 3 down, and we'll put the Air 3S up and see how that sound comparison goes as well. Right, Air 3S up. Again, screen comparison. Now, in fairness though, I've got a screen protector on this RC2 remote, but again, just so much brighter. Really is. Right, let's quickly hand the, there you go, keep control of that. So, again, standing in between them, Here I would definitely say the Air 3S is a little bit louder, which is surprising because I was quite happy with the sound level of the Air 3S. Go in the middle. Yeah, I mean the Air 3S does seem louder, and again it's certainly a higher pitch. So again, 2. You want to treat it, if you're hand catching it, I think you're going to treat it like a horse. Keep your hand flat, don't put your fingers up, because you don't want to get on the wrong side of these props by any stretch of the imagination. But again, it is useful to know how to hand catch if you've got dogs about who are going to go mad. They would definitely come off worse with these props. These are big props, and they would cause significant injuries. So yeah, if you cannot find anywhere suitable to land, then being able to hand catch is a nice trick to have up your sleeve. Right, let's get the other one down and then we are done. So there we go. What are my first thoughts? Well, interesting that despite it being so much heavier, to me actually seems quieter. Certainly the pitch is nowhere near as annoying. A deep pitch always sounds better to the human ear. Personally, I'd say it was marginally quieter than the Mavic 3 Classic there, and quieter than the Air 3S, which does surprise me because the Air 3S I always thought was a pretty decent, quiet, big drone as well. The thing just feels so solid, and like I said, I haven't really done it any justice with such a short flight there. These 3 huge, beautiful camera lenses, I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. So certainly from a sound perspective, yep, somehow DJI have managed to get the sound under control. This will not annoy people when they hear it flying, so that's brilliant. Too many features to go into now. Like I said, I'll obviously be doing a separate review video, and I'll do a link to that up here. But all I wanted to do today, it's first flight, see what it looks like, and then do the sound comparison. Happy boy all round, basically. This feels like genuinely a premium product, and I cannot even come close to conveying how solidly built and what a decent bit of kit this feels like. Sound brilliant as well. So right, lots more testing to do. As I said, there will be another more in-depth review coming up, but for now, until next time, have fun, happy flying.